Two wraps, same car, night and day difference. Cheap vinyl, thin pigments, poor stretch. You force it around a curve and suddenly the color turns blotchy or the film just snaps. This is what premium actually looks like. TeckWrap's color change vinyl films over 21 series, 200 plus colors, each engineered for deep, rich pigment that holds up wrap after wrap. Watch the stretch. Cheap films go white when you pull them. TeckWrap's polymeric vinyl stretches into every curve, every recess without losing depth. The adhesive locks into place and removes clean when you're ready to change it up. Look at the difference, not just any finish, a smooth, glassy surface with zero orange peel. That's what deep gloss, high-grade polymeric vinyl gives you. DIY or pro, TeckWrap makes you look like you know what you're doing. Air release channels, no bubbles, just pure style and reliable performance. Stop fighting cheap films that fight back. Grab your color now at TeckWrap.com. Link in the bio.